Hello everyone. Here is a question to kick us off. Have you ever wanted one piece in your outfit to stand out and show a little bit of who you are? Personal statement pieces do exactly that. They add a focal point to your outfit and help express your unique style. In this lecture, we're going to talk about selecting the right personal statement pieces for a business casual wardrobe. We will explore how to pick items that add in trust without overwhelming the look, why these pieces matter, and how to use them strategically to enhance your professional presence. After completing this lecture, you will be able to identify types of personal statement pieces that fit in a business casual setting. Select statement pieces that reflect your personality while remaining professional. Strategically use these pieces to enhance your look without overpowering it. A personal statement piece is an item in your outfit that stands out and reflects a bit of your unique style or personality. In a business casual setting, these pieces should be subtle yet distinctive. Examples include a distinctive watch, a scarf with a soft pattern, a pair of unique earrings, or even a colored belt. The key is to choose one or two items that draw the eye but do not distract from the overall professionalism of your outfit. According to style expert Clinton Kelly, a statement piece adds a little bit of you to the outfit. He explains that personal statement pieces should enhance your look, not define it. They act as a subtle reminder of who you are and what makes you unique in a professional way. Think of your outfit as a nearly finished painting. The neutral colors and classic pieces form the background, creating a balanced canvas. A personal statement piece is like a splash of color that enhances the painting. It adds character and focus but does not dominate the entire canvas. Just like that splash of color makes the painting more engaging, a carefully chosen statement piece makes your outfit more interesting and personal. Here are some types of statement pieces that work well in a business casual environment. Watches. A watch can be both practical and stylish. Choose one with an interesting face, a unique band, or a subtle design that stands out without being flashy. Jewelry. Small, unique earrings, a pendant necklace, or a simple bracelet can add character. Stick to pieces that complement your outfit's color and avoid anything too bold or noisy. Scarves. A scarf with a light pattern or muted color can add warmth and style, especially in cooler weather. Make sure the pattern or color does not clash with the rest of your outfit. Belts and shoes. A belt with a unique buckle or a pair of shoes in a slightly unexpected color can create a polished yet interesting look. When selecting a statement piece, balance is essential. Avoid adding too many bold items to a single outfit, as this can make it look cluttered or too casual. If you're wearing a patterned scarf, for instance, pair it with neutral colors so the scarf remains the focus. Similarly, if you're showcasing a unique pair of shoes, keep the rest of the outfit simple. Dr. Jennifer, a psychologist and an author on the psychology of fashion, advises that statement pieces should feel like an extension of your personality, not an interruption. She recommends keeping one statement piece per outfit to allow it to enhance rather than overpower your look. When selecting a statement piece, consider how its color, texture, or pattern interacts with your outfit. Here are some tips to guide you. Color. Choose colors that either match or complement your outfit. For example, if you're wearing a navy blazer, a watch with a subtle blue accent can tie the look together. Texture. Leather, metal, and fabric textures add depth to your look. For instance, a leather belt with a unique texture or a pair of suede shoes can add an understated touch. Patterns. Patterns can add interest but keep them subtle. A scarf with a light floral print or a belt with a small geometric pattern works well without being too bold. Statement pieces are not just about style, they are about confidence. Wearing an item that feels uniquely you can give you a boost in confidence and make you feel more comfortable in professional settings. Start small. If you're new to statement pieces, try a watch or a pair of earrings that you love and feel represent your style. As you get more comfortable, you can experiment with bolder items like shoes in distinctive color or a scarf with a hint of pattern. Statement piece selection. Choose one statement piece from your wardrobe that you feel represent your personality. Wear it with a business casual outfit and note how it affects your confidence and interaction with others. Outfit balance practice. Create a business casual outfit that includes one statement piece. Check if the outfit feels balanced and professional and adjust if needed to ensure that the statement piece complements rather than overpower the look. In conclusion, this lecture covered how these items add personality without compromising professionalism, using balance, color, and texture to create a cohesive look. Remember, a well chosen statement piece can enhance your outfit and make you feel more confident and authentic in any setting. Alright, tell us, what's the favorite statement piece you own and how does it add to your business casual outfits? Do you find it makes you feel more confident? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.